Alright, my side, so we're now here at the historic Black River Safari in St. Elizabeth. And speaking of history, it's time for our Fiwi culture segment. Dancehall artist Laden is actually a native of St. Elizabeth, coming right out of Junction. In 2008, he scored a massive hit with the song Time to Shine. Let's now get the backstory behind that song for our Fiwi culture segment.
Don't be my time to shine.
Time to Shine, how did that song come about? What inspired Time to Shine?
Alright, Time to Shine come about when my good friend Oxygen used to play around with the Time to Shine lyrics, you know. And I was in Miami with Steven, and he was playing his dad piano, and he was messing around the Jackson 5. Some song, I don't remember the name of it, but he was playing the chords, the piano. I said, yo, that sounds so. And I just start put the Time to Shine lyrics together with the melody. When it's gonna be my time to shine. And he was just amazed by it. And when we check in back at Jamaica, it's like me there a big ship and me in the yard. I'm walk through the living room and me, literally my head swell, me hear Steven inside the studio building the rhythm. I'm walking and we just recording and a history from that.
So we have some big song I play, me no get the big break kid. When Friday come, me no get no big paycheck. But me still a work for reach the top of the apex.
When the song Vice, everybody know it was a hit. It hit mark all over it.
What was your reaction? What were they saying to you?
Remember, me no used to no hit song yet, nor nothing, you know, so I was excited, and as I said, we know the song a big song, but it no hit until it hit. But my reaction to the song was, you know, normal, you know. I wasn't like jumping all around. When the song started playing and Liquid premiere it, I may hear the song like about 20 minutes, 25 minutes, and the rhythm I play and talking, and the rhythm, the song just up, and I said, no, this gone. Yeah, man, and then the phone just start burn up.
Big ship, them never know, say all that we face stress. So why them no want to see me and Sniper King lay script?
How important at the time was it for a jock like Liquid endorsing your music?
Yeah, man, it was mind-blowing, you understand, because, you know, Liquid, them are radio boss on Zip, you see me? Them on the deal with the radio Wicked, them on the program, them have listenerships, you understand? Producers want Liquid to play their productions, you understand? So, Liquid to play my song, feel good.
How did the success impact on you? What changed for you?
Everything, you know, everything. We start tour, we start, you know, fix up my mother's house, you see me, because we do them thing there, you see me, I remove her from Garrison, you see it. So I just tremendous vibe from the song release, you know.
Yo,
If you could go back in time and change one thing about your life, what would it be and why? The public gave their responses in our Why Pree Vox Pop segment.
Why Pree?
I maybe would reduce my age. Yeah, reduce my age and do better in school.
Oh, in my life, I make a lot of mistakes, and I say a lot of harsh words to people sometimes, ignorancy. So probably, if my life was growing up, I would not change those. I would never say those.
I wouldn't change nothing. I wouldn't change nothing.
I wouldn't change anything. I'm okay with everything happening in my life so far. Glad for that.
I'm going to change so for learn to swim, because I come at the big river, nice river. I can't swim, so I'm going to learn to swim on them something there.
I would not change nothing in the past, because the past has made me who I am today.
I don't change the school days. That's the only thing, because as a youth going to school, we never really take in never have the resources, really. My parents never have the really resources for a good education. So in saying so, I make sure some of my children have a good education. So that's what I would like to change if I could go back in time.
So if you did get opportunity, what you would have changed? Make us know on all our social media platforms at Pree the Show on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and of course the comment section on YouTube. And tune in next week for more Why Pree.
Why Pree?
Alright guys, so that's how we close the curtains on Black River St. Elizabeth and this week's episode of Pree the Show. Until next time, you don't know I'm your boy Naldo Addy. Peace. Boy Naldo Addy, and take care of yourself. Until next time, peace.